guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we sometimes talk about lifestyle, budgeting, DIYs, and traveling. In this video, we're going to be talking about budgeting and cash stuffing, so stay tuned. Okay, so I finally got the budget by Paycheck by the Budget Mom, and like I said, I just got it. So I did all of April. I want to say next month, for the month of May, I'm going to record and go over all of the budget, all my budgeting, and like all my categories and all my bills and expenses too as well. I want to dive deeper, but in this one, I already did the I filled in everything. Let me just zoom in a little bit. It's really clear. Okay. So right now we're going to do cash stuffings. So I'm just going to use this as a reference. I'm going to put it to the side just so that I remember how much I am putting in each category. So I'm going to zoom out and then be clear. I also want to talk about my wooden cash tray, you could say. I got off Etsy. I'll leave the Etsy shop in the description box below, and then I'll put it right here on the channel too, on the screen too as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna set up the cash real fast. Okay, sure, why not? Let's do it that way. So I have my travel binder with me, and we're gonna stuff two things actually. Sorry guys. I do have money left over from some categories, and I am starting two new challenges. I'm going to be starting the $5 challenge, which I saved all my $5, and the $1 challenge. So I'm just going to remove some of these. So grocery gas has $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. And if you didn't know, I actually stopped working at my second job, so I'm not driving there, and I'm currently still working from home for my first job, so I'm not using as much gas. And then household, I did use household, and we do have leftover $5, $10, $11, $12, $13. So I'm gonna put the ones together and then the fives together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 in ones. That's the new challenge. And then the $5, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I have $30 for the $5 challenge. So I'm going to be getting envelopes made. Either I'm going to make them myself. I'm most likely going to make them myself. And then we'll start stuffing these with the envelopes. So I'm going to put these to the side for now. And then we're going to start with miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is going to be getting $20. Groceries is going to be getting nothing on this check. Gas is going to be getting $70. So 20, 40, 60, 70. And household will be getting, let's see, $20. Also, household's going to be moving to my binder, so it's not going to be in my travel binder anymore. I'm actually going to be moving the household too as well. Stay tuned for a new video too as well. I actually just changed out my travel wallet for a new wallet, so look out for that video. It should be coming shortly. So we're done with the travel wallet. And then now we're going to move on to the kids' wallet. So, this is not a kid's wallet. This is the kid's wallet. Okay, so back to school is going to be getting $20. And then back to school now we have $20, $40, $60, $80. Christmas is going to be getting $20. I saw a challenge for Christmas. Let me know if you guys are doing any Christmas challenges or Black Friday challenges. I think I want to start one just so that I can bulk up the Christmas faster. But so far on Christmas, we have $100, $220. Shopping for 5 kids, I know it's going to be a lot. So I want to make sure I have enough in here and I don't have to dip into any other sinking funds. So the Sweet 16 is going to be getting $20. Oh, actually I lied. Sweet 16 is going to be getting $30. So we have 10, 20, 30. So we have 100, 20, 30. And then I'm going to fast forward this part, but the kids' envelope, each of them are going to be getting $10, which is going to leave them with a total, each envelope, a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, $60. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my binder. And we are going to be doing, Beauty is going to be getting $20. And Beauty now has a total of $120. Next we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. I want to get car maintenance to $500. That's my deductible for my car insurance if something ever happens to my vehicle. Honestly, I really would love it to be at $1,000, but right now our goal is $500 to be our deductible. So $20, and now we have a total of, things are going everywhere, 100, 20, 40, 65, 70. So 170. Next is going to be wellness. Wellness, we just started. Wellness is going to get $20. Sorry if you guys can hear the background, all the dogs are coming out to go to the bathroom. So $20 is going to go to wellness. And then an emergency fund, we're going to be doing $100. An emergency fund. Let's do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Next, we're going to be doing savings. Savings is going to be getting $250 in savings. I did open up a new checking and savings account. One that's not, it's local because I can still pull out money, but I wanted to make sure I'm dumping a lot of the savings and emergency fund into a new savings account that's dedicated for that. So I did that. I opened that up, especially when I hit the $1,000 mark. That's when I opened the account up. So excited for that. So in savings we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 650. So 1,650. Travel. I don't have my travel envelope inside here only because I did go on a trip to Costa Rica, and the envelope is empty. So we are going to be redoing that envelope, and it's going to be getting 50. So 20, 40, 50, and I'll be putting this away in my travel envelope. And then as well, I don't have it here, but my medical envelope is going to be getting 20. So I will be stuffing that away and my medical too. So my next cash stuffing, I will have those envelopes out here. I'm actually going to use this envelope for my medical. Sorry because my kids in the background. So I'm using this right here for my medical folder, and then I think I had another one, and then I'll be bringing back my travel folder. So the remaining balance, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100 is going to be going into my savings challenge. Again, I don't count it. I'm just going to throw it in here. And then I will be adding the remaining balance, or the 5s and 1s, to my $1 and $5 challenge. Perfect. And then, like I said, next month I will be going over my paycheck, my budget. I did a lot of mistakes in here, but I did fill it out with my sinking funds and my income and my side job. So I will be going over this next month, or actually not even next month, probably my next paycheck. So be on the lookout for that. For the next video, I will be disclosing all of my expenses. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, bye now.